Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Ram that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the tail light fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad, all we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that guys to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. The fuse that we'll show is for tail lights and all kind of interior lights. If you have a problem after, let's say, tail light replacement, bulb wasn't working, tail light wasn't working, the fuse was burnt and it's still the tail lights do not work, check out the video on our channel why headlights do not work. It could be the same problem with the tail lights. We have it guys. Okay, that's specific to Dodge. Go ahead and open the hood here, and under the hood on the driver's side you see that cover here. Okay, it has two notches guys that you need to press, one here, one there. It flips, and once you open it, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys, so you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, okay, what we need to check specifically now, okay, for the tail lights, which fuse. So let's zoom in a little bit. Now, it's a common thing, if your tail light was bad, a bulb was bad, or a fuse was bad, that it still doesn't work after you replace all that stuff. So check out the video why headlight doesn't work. It will teach you what you need to do guys. Here you see these two fuses. The one that we need to check is fuse number 10. It's that one. It's for the body control module and tail lights as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.